What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to pull the seat out, put some new eye bolts in for my sub belts, and possibly figure out how to bolt my seat to the floor. Maybe, I'm not sure. So we're gonna throw those eye bolts in. Well, we'll take the seat out, throw those eye bolts in, and then I'll figure out what we're doing about the seat. I'm sure a lot of you know that we modified my stock seat mount to work with the Halo seat. It's not like the best idea, but it works. Currently trying to find a set of planted brackets, but planted is out of stock, and supposedly they ship orders in 10 days and grid life is in 10 days, so not really gonna have time for that. So we'll just do whatever. If you guys have a set of used planted brackets and want to sell them to me, let me know. I'll happily buy them. Or if you know somebody that does have them, tell them. I'll happily buy them. And we'll go from there. But let's get the seat out. Let's put these eye bolts where they're supposed to be. So our seat's out. We're gonna take those eye bolts, put them right here, and then that should be good. Also, in case any of you care, I found my Ray-Bans again. So I pretty much lose sunglasses like weekly, and they're always my Ray-Bans that I lose. I need to get some more, but yeah, if you know that feel, it sucks. I just put my sunglasses down and forget about it. And that's unfortunately what happens with a lot of my stuff. I lose a lot of things when I shouldn't, but it happens. Alright, so let's get this thing jacked up, take those eye bolts out, grab the drill. I swear, this G7X Mark II has taken a shit ton of abuse from me. It just fell off the roof of the car while I was jacking it. And lens out and everything. Still functions great, so we're good, but one day this is gonna die. I'm not sure when, but one day this thing is definitely gonna fail. Oh. Hot. Anytime I want to do stuff, it's hot, and I just get exhausted and tired and sweaty. Not fun. But new eye bolts done. Yeah, they're not at the same angle. We had a wiring harness going through there, and yeah, it worked out. So those are done. Time to reinstall the seat, and then I've got to adjust that belt to figure out the length I need, but it shouldn't be too hard. So let's get to doing that, and then we'll go from there. So there you have it. Our seat's back in. Our sub belts are firmly under the seat. I was able to do the measurement to get the sub belt where I wanted pretty much the first try. If you guys want to do this, it might take a lot of measuring. It depends on how much you've messed with harnesses before. And we've just done it a lot on this car, and I kind of know where I sit and where I got to be. So this is okay. That's done. Now there's a few things left, I think, on my list of stuff I've got to mount the cool shirt, hardwire that. I've got to get the alignment done. I've got to put the rear camber dog bones in. I'm gonna try to find those plated seat brackets. So if you guys have them, shoot me a message. Let me buy them. I'll give you money right now. We'll do that, and then what else? God, it's hot. Oh yeah, I got to finish the livery, and then that's pretty much it. So we're getting really close to being done for Grid Life. I can't remember. I talked about this in a earlier video, but I ordered some giveaway stuff for Grid Life. So my goal, like, I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers by Grid Life. Like, that would be amazing, and it'd blow my mind. But so let's try to do that. That's my goal. So I want you guys to share these videos, share the channel, tell your friends, tell your RX-7 friends, tell your race car friends, tell your drifting friends, tell your BMW friends. We've got a lot of stuff on this channel that a lot of people like. I do a lot of RX-7 related things because A, it's my car, and B, a lot of you guys have come to the channel to watch this. But I mean, you guys know we have so many other projects. We've got Alfie's supercharged M3. We've got Ty's M3 that's going to be supercharged. We've got my S2000. We've got Joel has a G35. Pete's got FRSs. Graham's got an FRS. Justin's got boats. We've got jet skis. We got tons of stuff. So we've got a lot of stupid things with engines that we can kill ourselves with. So if you guys want to see that, tell your friends, and I'll start making more videos, start doing all this. I know all these videos have been Grid Life prep, because that's the main thing that's on the schedule right now, is what's going on. So once this gets done, we'll start doing some other things, figure out what else to do, what else to show you guys. I hope to see you guys at Grid Life. I hope you guys are excited for the giveaway stuff as I am. It's definitely something new, so I think you guys will all like it. So yeah, be sure to come by, see me in the paddock, say hi to everybody. Like, the whole crew's gonna be there hanging out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm super stoked to see y'all all at Grid Life. So come say hi, come hang out with us. Just come see the car, come get your free stuff. And if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a long-time subscriber or a new subscriber, thank you so much for the support. You guys pretty much all make this happen. Like, if I didn't have the YouTube channel, if I didn't have you guys to support it, probably wouldn't be doing any of this. So thank you guys for that. And what else? Hopefully I don't lose my sunglasses anytime soon, because I'm gonna need those at the track. There's a cat. Hey, kitty. Nope, cat doesn't want to hang out. So yeah, there's random stray cats around. I don't know who feeds them, but they're always around. Probably neighbors. But thank you guys for subscribing. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments what you're excited to see for the car next. Let me know if you're going to Grid Life. Let me know if you're excited about it. Remember to like the video, share it with your friends, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.